So in front of me I have INFINIX Smart 6 HD mobile device, and in this video we would like to show how you can enable the separate number row on top of the characters at the keyboard of the smartphone. That's how the keyboard looks without the separate number line. Therefore, you would need to enter the settings, then go for the very last category, that is system, languages and input, on-screen keyboard. Over here tap on a Gboard or any other keyboard that is currently set. Then at the Gboard or any given keyboard, obviously, settings page, you want to tap on the preferences and simply turn on the number row toggle. And as you will see now, this will essentially mean that the separate number line is active. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and bye bye.